Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the world of AI. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this website called Godmode.space, and it's basically a website that provides a platform for users to interact with AutoGPT as well as BabyAGI models directly on the web front. And this is basically something that was created by a user off of Twitter named Lonus, and he basically wanted to create this website so it offers a user-friendly interface, and it also allows an input for text prompts and generate responses that you would be able to do with AutoGPT and BabyAGI, but on the web front now. And this is for people who do not have the right basic compatibility on their PC to actually run AutoGPT, as well as for people who are not as tech savvy to run this platform on their computer. So with that thought, guys, I'm going to be going over what this actual application is. But if you guys haven't subscribed or checked out any of my previous videos, please do so. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Also check out this video on AutoGPT, in which it goes more in depth on what the actual application is. If you guys want to donate, there's a link down in the description below. But with that thought, guys, let's get right into the video. So first things first, you want to click on the settings tab and actually input your own OpenAI key. I don't know why the text is weird right now. Let me be back. So you will need an API key because the website has a lot of traffic at the moment. So you can go over to the OpenAI website and get your own API key. You can create your own key. Obviously, you will need to have some sort of balance to actually run it. But for my case, I'm just going to show you something that will basically work for this website. And what you have to do is you can write anything that you want to basically create. So if, for example, if you want the actual system to create or complete your resume, you can do that. Like, you can ask it, write me a detailed resume from start to finish with basic your education all the way to skills, and you can tell it to actually do it. In this case, we're just going to follow along with one of the examples that they have given us, so it's easier to generate a response. And basically with this, we're going to be able to get a better response, and once it's loaded, I'll be back to you guys. For some reason it wasn't working on Chrome, so I just ended up going off of Microsoft Edge. And basically, once you put in the prompt that you want to complete, you can add suggested things that will help you actually achieve your initial objective. So it will give you recommended suggestions that you can add on, and you can do that over here. And once that is done, you can basically click launch. And what the system will now do is it will take the same approach that AutoGPT would, in which it would generate different types of tasks as well as different outputs to actually like complete that task. And you'll be able to see that as we continue on forward. And initially it will start going through each of the tasks, but throughout each task there's different tasks that are also assigned to complete the actual overall task, and you can see that over here. So basically, I told it in which market should I first launch my vegan protein bars. So one of the tasks that I gave it is conduct a market research to identify potential target markets for vegan protein bars, and within that it is going to search for potential target market for vegan protein bars off of Google. Now there's a thought process to it as well as a reasoning to it. If you want to give feedback for the AI to search it in a different way, you can also do that, as well as input your own ideas to get a better response. And once you input a better response, or if you do have an optional feedback, you can input it over here and then click this button over here, which is approve the actual plan. And what it will now do is it will start working towards finding the best options as well as the market research to complete the first overall task over here. And I just want to show you to the next part, in which how many things that will go through. And secondly, it found the reasoning and the thought process for the first initial task. Now we'll move on to the next task, in which you can approve. Obviously, I'm not going to be reading through all of this because it's going to take a long time, but you can basically input your own feedback to get the best response. And I don't think it will be able to run everything that it tells you that you tell it to do at the moment without an API key, because there's a high usage on the application right now. So I believe you won't be able to get the best, like all the results right away, because there's just too much people using the website at the moment. But now we've moved on to the second task, and as we are searching for vegan protein bar competitors in a specific market, it gives another task within the overall task in which it investigates competitors' vegan protein bars and their unique selling points. And what you can also do is input another task that will help you solve your second overall task. And this way it will just keep on working to actually complete it autonomously. And if you want it to run autonomously, you can say in the initial script that just keep on approving the plan all the way to the end, and I'll accept or download the script later on at the end. And that's basically the gist of how you can actually use it on the web front. This is exactly the same thing that you can use your own AutoGPT on your local desktop, and this is something that's really cool, guys. So I'd highly recommend that you check it out, play around with it a little bit. I hope you found this short little video beneficial for you, and if you want to see more videos like this highlighting certain cool like applications like this, I'll definitely do so. But with that thought, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Have an amazing day and have a great smile. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Peace out.